Welcome to the last video in the chapter 2.8, and we need to learn how to graph inequalities. So let's start with an easy one. Let's start with maybe y. Oh, I just did something really crazy there. Anyways, y less than 3. So you know how to graph y less than 3. We go to all the points where y is equal to 3. It's like here, and here, and here, and we draw a straight line across. That's y less than 3. Now, inequalities, you'll either have a dotted line or a solid line. Now, it says y is less than 3. It does not say y is less than or equal to 3, so y actually can't be 3. And we need to mark this on the line by making it a dotted line. I'll delete my whole line. So y is actually dotted like this, because y is less than 3. It's not 3, it starts at 3, but it's actually less than that. Also, when you think about y and y is less than 3, you can just imagine, where is y going to be less than 3? It's going to be less than 3 in all the parts of the graph that are less than 3. So down here. So two things. First off, it's a dotted line because it's just a less than, and it's actually all the things less than 3, so we have to color in this entire spot below. Okay, let's try another one. Let's say maybe this time x is greater than or equal to 2. So we'll find the place where we'll first graph this line, where x is greater than or equal to 2. X is equal to 2 here, and here, and here. So we'll draw a line. This is the line x is greater than or equal to 2. Now this line can actually stay as a solid line. Because of this equal sign, it tells us x is also 2, it's equal to 2, and it's greater than that. So think, where is x greater than 2? Well, it's all of this space over here, and this is what we got to fill in for our graph. Okay, and the last example is going to be, what if we just have a normal line, not a more complicated one, but still a normal line, like 2x plus 3y is greater than or equal to 3. Wow, I really messed that up. Let me change that for you. 2x plus 3y is greater than or equal to 3. Now, in order to graph this line, if you want to plug it into your calculator, or if you just want to look at slope-intercept form, you have to put it in slope-intercept form. So let's do that. Subtract 2x. So 3y greater than or equal to negative 2x plus 3. Then we have to divide by 3, because we need y by itself. So this line is y is greater than or equal to negative 2/3 x plus 1. That's something we can draw. So let's put the y-intercept at plus 1. It's negative 2/3. So a negative slope means it's going down and to the right. That's the trend. Down and to the right. Positive slope is going up and to the right. So let's draw this down and to the right. So we go down 2, 1, 2, over 3, 1, 2, 3. Put a point, and now we can draw our line. Of course, once you have this, you can also plug this into a calculator as well. I'm going to draw this line a little bit straighter though, because I want you to do that as well. So let me try this again. It's hard to use a straight edge on this screen though, so I can't. Okay, so we're going to look at the line and say, okay, it's y greater than or equals to. That means we can keep the solid line. If it was just greater than, we would have a dotted line, like you know. Now we need to find out, where is y greater than or equal to this? Well, it's very simple. It's just the places above the line. Because it says greater than, you can think of, okay, all the things greater for y are the things above the line. So we're just going to fill all this in. If it was backwards and it said y is less than or equal to negative 2/3 x plus 1, I would say y is less than all that stuff, the places below the line. And I would fill in the other part. I would fill in down here.